Hello, we are Chief Vape. We are a subscription service for flavoured liquids for e-cigarettes. It is a monthly subscription, much like a magazine or a Graze box. Let me introduce the team anyway. This is Olivia. She's our HR and payroll director. We move on to John Scott, who is our marketing and advertising, the main man. Dan, he's the finance director. Great, nice smile, Dan. And then Tom, who's the product design and development director. We're now taking on to our cameraman also, who is the company director, CEO, and myself, who is operations manager. Thanks for your time.
Goodbye. Sign up today at chiefvape.com for 10% off your first monthly subscription package of premium flavoured liquids. Remember, sign up today.